Hey guys, welcome to Blog Tip Tuesday, where I share helpful blog tips every Tuesday. In today's video, I want to show you how to find out what keywords your competitors are ranking for. This is how I've been able to get the bulk of my article ideas, and it's how it's helped me earn six figures by getting targeted, consistent traffic to my website. Now, if you watch my video on how to find keywords that will rank on Google, that video is good to help you find a good keyword. But a much easier way is to find out what keywords your competitors are already ranking for. Odds are there are similar, more established websites that talk about the same thing that you want to write about. So by finding out what keywords they're already ranking for, it will give you a ton of article ideas. And the only tool that has done this well enough is this tool right here called Ahrefs. Now this tool has a $7 trial for 7 days, but from personal experience, it's not even worth it with the limited information that they give you. What I suggest is doing their light plan. So let me show you what that looks like really quick. So you go to their pricing, you see that it's $99. Now, yes, this is a lot of money, but what I suggest is to use this for 1 month, get all the information you can get out of it, and get as many article ideas that will last you for months and months and months to write about. Then cancel before you have to pay for the next month. Also, remember that this is a tax write-off. Now, if you can't afford it, I've seen other bloggers and Facebook groups ask a couple people to go in with them to split the cost, but you do that at your own risk. Now, I would dedicate several days to getting as much information out of this tool as you can and just play around with it and discover all the amazing features that this tool has. Now, I can do a deep dive to show you all the different features this tool has, but today I just really want to focus on how to find out what keywords your competitors are ranking for. If you guys want me to do a more in-depth video on this, just let me know in the comment section below. All right, let's go ahead and sign in. Okay, so I was looking up some productivity tips today, and I found this website that I think would be a good example to go through. But this is where you would put your website domain name right here. Now, if you have a newer site, you probably won't have a lot of information in here. Now, if you don't know who your competitors are, you can simply do a Google search for something that you want to write about. The websites that come up in the search results are your competitors. I want to put this website in here so we can find out what keywords he is ranking for. So jeffwillis.com. And then it gives you so much information about this website, how many backlinks they have, the referring domains, organic keywords. But what I really want to focus in is on the organic keywords, because organic keywords means that these are the keywords that this website is ranking for in Google. So let's go here and click on this. They have different filters here to help you drill down information. The ones that I really want to focus on for this is volume and the word count. Now for volume, I'm really changing my perspective for this. I'm only going to put this from 100. I used to do from 5,000 and up, so that basically means that 5,000 people are searching for this term per month, but I'm going to put in 100 because the idea is if even 100 people are searching for this topic per month, that's still a nice amount of people. And if I'm going to have a number of different articles out there, that means that I can get a nice consistent flow of traffic to my website. So I'm going to go ahead and just say 100 monthly searches for a certain keyword. So right here, just go to 100 and then apply. Now for word count, this is what I was talking about before in another video about long tail keywords. And I love this example that I found in the Facebook group that I want to share with you guys to help you understand what a long tail keyword is. So here's what she said. Someone searching for a long tail keyword is in a different phase of searching. I'll use car sales as an example. If someone searches used cars versus 2015 Toyota Camry Hybrid White, which person do you think is ready to buy? That second one knows exactly what they want. They've already been researching, and the ready to buy traffic is actually more valuable to the business that has something to sell. So hopefully that makes more sense. So if someone is specifically asking for a long tail keyword, now long tail keywords I always say are 3 words or more. The more specific they are in their question, the better for you, because that means that you can drill down to answer directly to what their question is and provide whatever product or service that you have or that you can offer. So I want the word count to be 4 words or more. So I'm going to go ahead and go to apply. Now KD right here means keyword difficulty. Now the smaller the keyword difficulty number is, the better for you. That basically shows you how hard or how easy it is to rank for Google. So I want to find out the easy things that it is to rank for Google. So I'm going to go ahead right here and tap on that. And then I see that this is a high number, so I need to tap on it again because I'm sorting it, trying to find out the easier ones first. So you see right here it says 0. It doesn't get any easier than that. So let's go ahead right here and look at this keyword. Social media word whistle. I have no idea what that is, so that is not a relevant keyword. That is something that you could write about. And you'll see right here it says upgrade to see positions 21 through 100. And I'm telling you guys, I am not spending more than $100 to use this tool. So I'm not going to spend any more money. I'm just going to use the information that I have. And just so you guys know, that $7 trial for 7 days gives you a lot less information than what I'm already getting. So definitely just go ahead and invest the whole $99 in this. I do not get paid for telling you guys this. Okay, so we're going to scroll down here. Now it says right here, how to gain followers on Musical.ly. Okay, I can't even say this, but so that says 100 people are searching for this per month, and the keyword difficulty is 0. So this, if I knew what this was, this would be a keyword that I would put in my spreadsheet, and I'm going to show you guys what I do here. So I'll go ahead and highlight this right here, the keyword. I'm going to put in my keyword tracker that I created in Excel. You guys can do the same exact thing. And what I do here is I record the keyword, I put in the volume, and then I put in the keyword difficulty. So what I'm doing right here is just what I call research. I'm just putting in a whole bunch of keywords that I think that I could rank for. Now, what I would do before I actually go ahead and actually write an article about this, I will first see what's popping up in Google. So let me show you what that looks like right now. So I'll copy this. So if we put that in Google right here, you see that a video is the first thing that pops up. And if you scroll down, I like to scroll down to see what pops up in the search results. And this is my competition for this keyword. I want to see if I can write a better article than what's out there right now. Now this says a step. I will look at this article right here. And as you can see, there probably is not that many articles about this. So Google is only giving you what they have available, and that's YouTube videos. So you probably have a really good chance at writing an article about this and ranking #1 on this page. And having 100 people search for this per month is not that bad. But keep in mind, these are just tools that are trying to figure out Google. This is not as accurate as you may think. This just gives me a sense to say that if a number of people are searching for this keyword per month, then I probably might have a nice amount of traffic to my website if I can write about it. Okay, so that's just an example. And what I would do is this is just work. And I'm going to continue to scroll down for keywords that I could probably write about. I'm on the second page now. You see all these. I barely even see a keyword. Now, how to delete followers on Pinterest. That's probably a good article I could write about. So I see right here that it says 300. So 300 people are searching this per month, and the keyword difficulty is 0. So I'm like, oh, that's probably a good keyword. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my spreadsheet, and so on and so on. Now, I want to show you another quick way to find out who your competitors are. So just by putting jeffwillis.com in here, I can find out who his competitors are by scrolling down here and going down to competing domains. Now by doing this, I get to see his top competitors right here. And if I just hit this little drop down right here, I can go right to organic keywords and do the same thing that I was doing with his website, put in my filters, the word count, the volume, and continue to add to my spreadsheet. So I would do this until I have a number of keywords right here. So that will give me article ideas that I can write for months and months, and it will make my investment something that will actually allow me to make more money by using keywords that I could rank for and write to get consistent traffic to my website and make money through ads and affiliate marketing. Now remember, this is just the first phase of it. First thing is to find the keyword. Then you need to know how to write your articles so Google can actually pick it up. So definitely check out my video on how to write your articles to rank #1 on Google. And then you'll also need to get backlinks. Now, the best way to get backlinks to your website and a better understanding of what backlinks are is to check out this ebook. Now, this ebook is by the same woman that I took my coaching class with, and she has just honestly changed the game for me. This is how I know so much about SEO. So when you want to learn backlinks, this is the best route to go because it has really helped me grow my website and get backlinks without having to reach out to other bloggers. So if you just read more about the ebook, I will put in the description below. You'll understand really what backlinks are and why they're so valuable, and then why you need them in order to rank well on Google. So I will put that in the description below. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys are understanding more about keyword research. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on a tip for Blog Tip Tuesday. Thank you guys and have a great day.